Dear students, let us start the third chapter of chemistry, that is physical chemistry. It is from physical chemistry and the name of the chapter is electrochemistry. So electrochemistry is the combination of two words. One is chemical reaction and electricity. So chemistry means chemical reaction and electro means electricity. It means that in this chapter, that is chapter 3, we study chemical reaction and electricity both. Okay, so chemical reaction and electricity. So where do we find chemical reaction as well as electricity? Okay, we find this in cells, isn't it? We find the cells like a battery, wristwatch, wall watch, etc., etc., in which there are so many cells, so many batteries, in which there is a chemical reaction and that gives us electricity. So where do we find all this chemical reaction and electricity? We find this in cells. Okay, so these cells are divided into two categories. Okay, so number one cell is my electrochemical cell. Okay, chemical cell. Okay, the other part of the cell is my electrolytic cell. Electrolytic cell. Okay, so one cell we got electrochemical cell and others we got electrolytic cell. In both the cells there is electricity and chemical reaction involved. Okay, now in electrochemical cell, what happens is, there is spontaneous chemical reaction gives electricity. Okay, electricity. But here if you consider this, okay, here there will be a, okay, there we are getting electricity from spontaneous reaction. Okay, spontaneous means by itself. Okay, by itself. It means that the reaction will occur by itself. We don't need to do anything. So here, okay, electricity will give, okay, non-spontaneous chemical reaction. Okay, non-spontaneous, TANEOU, spontaneous chemical reaction. So both are cells. Okay, this is also my cell and this is also my cell. But in electrochemical cell, the spontaneous chemical reaction will give me electricity. Okay, the batteries and the cells that we are using. Okay, now there is electrolytic cell. Electrolytic cell, what we do is we give electricity, provide electricity. Okay, provide electricity to give non-spontaneous chemical reaction. Okay, here we give the electricity and we find chemical reaction. Here we don't give electricity, we get the electricity from spontaneous chemical reaction. Okay, so for time being I am not going to study electrolytic cell. Okay, this electrolytic cell we talk in later once we finish the electrochemical cell. Now these electrochemical cells are, so these are called, okay, voltaic or galvanic cells. Okay, this part I am not touching. Okay, so there are some more types of cells, primary cells and secondary cells. Okay, so these are actually primary cells and these are actually secondary cells, which we will talk later. Now voltaic or galvanic cell is also, this is also a galvanic, electrochemical cell. Okay. Now under this voltaic or galvanic cell, there is some more cell which is called Daniel cell. Daniel cell, okay, which we are going to study in the next lecture. Okay, Daniel cell is also a voltaic cell. Daniel cell is also a galvanic cell. Daniel cell is a electrochemical cell. Okay, from electrochemical. Okay, this was designed by some person called Daniel. So this is named as Daniel cell, and here we get the zinc and copper as the electrode, which is the next topic. Okay, so thank you.